Welcome to our session on using digital drawing tablets in Photoshop. Today, we'll explore how these tools enhance creativity and precision, focusing on effective techniques for painting and drawing. A digital drawing tablet offers pressure sensitivity, allowing artists to control line thickness and opacity dynamically. This feature is crucial for creating expressive and varied strokes in your digital artwork. Custom brushes in Photoshop can simulate various painting and drawing techniques. By using layers, artists can paint non-destructively, maintaining flexibility and the ability to make changes without affecting the original work. The brush tool is perfect for painting, while the pencil tool provides precision for detailed drawing. The eraser tool helps refine artwork without harming underlying layers, ensuring a clean and polished final piece. Tablet users can customize pen settings for tailored brush performance. In conclusion, digital drawing tablets offer enhanced control and precision, making them essential for artists seeking a natural feel in digital art. Thank you for joining this exploration of creative possibilities in Photoshop.